Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be creating the kick and ban commands. So this was really requested, so we're going to do it. It's actually not that hard, it's pretty easy. As a matter of fact, it's just, you gotta know it. So as in the last video, we created the command handler with our message.js and our events and everything that we need, but we need, or actually no, you need to watch the last video in order to continue with the videos on. So you can't follow on. I mean, you can try, but it's really not gonna work. So watch last video, which is the command handler, and come back when you get it. So let's get started. Create, or in our commands folder, in our moderation folder, new file, call it kick.js. So now we're going to start requiring a couple things. We're going to be requiring, of course, the message embed, and we have that require from Discord.js, like so. And do the module.exports like we always do, and then name will be kick. And then description. Actually, we don't need a description. We just need usage to be. We're gonna have to do the user ID, reason, and then run. We need to have a comma here. And then after that, we need to do a run. So run async bot message args. So now we're gonna do if there's like no one to kick, so we're gonna do if args 0. We're gonna have that return. I'm gonna space out the ifs too as well. Return message dot channel dot send let's do please, or let's do invalid usage. Please specify who you would like to kick. And then we're gonna define let user equal message.guild dot cache dot get arg0. And we're gonna check if there's no user. So if there's no user, return message dot channel dot send you a potato. Let's do okay boomer. That user is not in the server. So we're gonna do another if, or no, we're gonna define, we're gonna let reason equals message dot content dot split. There's gonna be your prefix here, so kick. Now it's it's gonna slice this out. So kick user dot ID. Put a little space here too. And then we're gonna do if there's no, or if there's args 0, or there's two ways we can define the reason. We can do args 1. This dot channel dot send specify the reason to kick the member. And we're gonna copy this, paste it again, but in this time we're going to change the args to reason, just like that. And then we're gonna do if user is not kickable, so user.kickable. We're gonna have that return message dot channel dot send. Bruh, you cannot kick a staff member, lol. And then we're gonna check that if the message member that has permissions. So if message dot member dot permissions dot has, we'll just do kick members, return message dot channel dot send, lol, no, you need kick members permission. And then now we just, to kick them, user dot kick, and reason that kicks them. So then now we can now send the embed. Now I'm going to do it the way I want to do it, which is going to be let me see if I can scroll up a little bit because someone got warned right now too. Like this, it's going to say this has been kicked with ID. So I'm going to say that, or I can do something else. No, actually, I don't know. Okay. So I'm just gonna make a note. Message embed const. I'm gonna just kick embed equals new message embed. Do set description. Do bot.users.cache.get user.id .tag has been kicked, and then we're going to highlight this too, and then to have the reason shown in the embed, we're going to do for reason, no, I do this reason dot slice 1, and then if you want to set a color, you don't have to, but just do message dot channel dot send embed. I need to kick embed, and that's basically pretty much it. Now if we do node space dot load a kick, who did chat? Oh. Okay, so now I'm gonna kick one of my testing bots. So I'll test the cookie coder. So to copy ID, you need to go copy ID. If you don't have it, give me a moment. I'm gonna pause. Go in your settings and to appearance, developer mode, turn it on. Alright, now copy ID. So now we're gonna do kick. Invalid usage, please specify where to kick. If I use the mention, so streambot, it's gonna tell us. Okay, I probably get in the front. Oops. It's fine. When you do kick, that we cannot. It's giving me errors, guys. Where are you giving me errors at? 740. Mesh.guild.cache. Oh, hold on, I messed up. Let's do that. Yeah, should be right now. Now, if we do kick that, Bruh, specify the reason you want to kick the member, cause why not? I'm gonna quickly mention the kicked user, so leveling test. Copy the ID. Express word kick. Cause. And as you can see, leveling test has been kicked for cause. Now I messed this up and didn't close the thing there. So now if you want it to mention, like for now if you want it to mention the user, so like this, want it to mention, we are going to do this. We can go into, actually it's a toString function, so we're gonna do, instead of tag, we're going to do user ID. We're gonna split this off. We're gonna copy this as well too. So you dot toString and paste this code in there. As you can see, you do user.id, and then at the end put, oops, I forgot to close the bracket, .id, user.id. Let's give me I'm supposed to put one more here. There we go. No, hold on. Alright, I have one there. One there. I'm supposed to have two here. Alright, why are you giving me errors here? Crap. I'm just gotta find it. I'm looking through my code right now. Because if I do this, maybe that works. It's the same thing, but yeah. So now, if I go ahead and do node space dot, I'm gonna kick one of my other bots. So kick streambot, because who uses that? Let's kick Atlantis beta, because that's no bot. So if we do kick, the value says kick Atlantis beta. Okay, boom. It's gonna say that, but because you need to use the ID, so kick. And that, bruh, please specify the reason to get a member. Kick because, and as you can see, I forgot to close another markdown. It mentions the member that got kicked and the reason. And you can basically customize. It doesn't have to be an embed. It doesn't have to be anything. It doesn't have to be anything. It's just, yeah. So ban command is almost like identical, like pretty identical. So all you gotta do is copy everything, ban.js, and the only thing you change is ban members and user.ban. And once we create the we're gonna do that user.ban, and for this one we're gonna do user.bannable. So we're gonna check if user is gonna be bannable. So that's gonna be bannable with two ends. And we're also gonna change this has been banned for the reason of that. So now we can change this to ban embed. That's it. We can, all you have to do is change this ban. I'm just gonna copy this so I don't have to. So just ban, 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 and of course change this to ban. And then that's pretty much it, looks like. And yeah, okay, so now if you run the bot, node space dot, that kind of rhymed. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Ooh, double. Anyways, so we do ban, ban. Oh, I got errors. No, I don't. Psych. So do ban. Huh? Let me see. That looks good. Is it connected to Discord? Yes, it is. I'm just gonna run it once again. So now, come on, come on, please help, or come on, please work. So ban, let's ban Astro Testing. That's a old account of mine. I don't even know who it is. Actually, that's not. Let's ban one of my bots because I can invite it back. It's right, stream bot. Ban that. Can't. No reason. There's no way. Am I getting errors? I'm not getting no errors. Why? Something's wrong, guys. Hold on. Something's wrong. I feel like something's wrong. It's not giving me no errors. It's not even replying. Is it even on? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's literally the same exact code. Huh? I don't know. Let's try it. Ban because it's not working. Why? Let me review this code real quick. Hold on. Okay, so I fixed it. So I formatted my code that just returns every and formatted to returns. And then now, all right, it's online. Now if we see, let me just make sure it's this ID, because I want to ban the wrong person by accident. Yeah, it was. Ban. I don't know, but me like, I think it's Discord right now, because my other bots are not online. The worst on this, but it's literally the same thing. It's just use it out ban reason. Don't know. Yeah, it's Discord right now. But hey, that's the command, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know, honestly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go. Jeez, you do not know how much time I've been like trying to find out what the ban. What is this? Why is it not working? It's just Discord right now, guys. Discord's being doo-doo like always. Because as you can see, all of my bots are like offline, which they're not supposed to be offline. This one's online because I'm running it by terminal because it's the main one. I have it hosted, but if this one comes offline, this one goes online. So yeah, so I guess thanks for watching. I'm going to go. Make sure you guys support us on Patreon and visit our new website too. You know, that's pretty cool. You can also buy a bot as well too. Well, kind of not buy, but you know. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. Or next video will probably be the let's see, what can we do next video? 8 ball. Suggest what should we do in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.